Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to blur a part of a video. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in CapCut, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Blurring part of a video in CapCut is a great way to focus attention elsewhere, or to hide sensitive information, or maybe create artistic effects. So once you open the CapCut on your computer, you might want to click the Create a Project if you want to start from scratch, but in my case, I'm going to be clicking the recent projects that I have been working with. Now, I'm going to delete some of the elements that I don't want. For example, this. I also don't want this video right here. All right, so what we're going to do is to duplicate this video by pressing the Control Copy and then paste it to have two videos synchronized together so we can create and blur some of the elements here later. All right, so in this scenario, I'm gonna copy that again, and then I want you to go to the effects section and search for blur. Type it in, press enter, and drag the blur to one of the video right here on the first one. Now make sure you drag the blur video on the second video, because the first one on top is the overlaying video. If you click this icon here to hide track, you would notice that it's blurred, right? Now, put that in. I'm going to go and click this video right here to go to the... Now on the basic effects, go to the mask, and you can choose from any of the following masks right here. You can create a rectangle, circle, film strip, and split, but I'm going to use this because this is the only part that I wanted to blur. This text right here. All right, now with that, once it's set in place, I want you to click this small button right here that says reverse. You see that? What will happen is it will take effect and the part of this video has been blurred. If I play the video right through, you would notice that that's only a section of the video has been blurred. It's really easy. And of course, you can use from different kind of mask. You can use this split, film strip, circle, stars, heart, but the thing is it depends really on what part of the video you want to blur and how long is it gonna be. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.